Yeah. And so the biggest problem we actually face is that we do not understand the attributes of the soul. That's a big problem for our life. And we can talk, so remember yesterday, one of the questions was, how do we practically apply divine truth in our lives? Well, the very first thing you really need to start doing is understand you're a soul, not bodies, and your mind is useless.
And
right? And the majority of people go, oh, that's not true. How can that be true? And the more intellectual I am, the more I'm going, oh, that's definitely not true. But trust me, when you change from having intelligence intellectually to having intelligence emotionally, your entire life will change. Right? Also, I must point out, your mind is incapable of prayer because it doesn't exist in the soul. And God's interface with you, remember we pointed that out yesterday, God's interface with you is soul to soul. It bypasses your mind. Your mind is useless in your relationship with God. This is why most people struggle with a relationship with God, because their mind is pretty much dysfunctional, for the most part, illogically dysfunctional. But on top of that, it's not belonging to the soul. So every time you try with your mind to think of God or try with your mind to have a relationship with God, it's not going to work. God's designed it that it doesn't work because God wants a relationship with the real you, which God knows He designed these bodies to be discarded, right? The physical body, you're going to discard it. Like if you live 100 years on earth, it will be pretty amazing probably. So whatever age you are now, take the 100. That's how much you got left pretty much, isn't it? And 100 take that, and then you're gone. That body's gone. It's not only just gone, it's not you, because it's going to end up in the ground, feeding some worms and some trees. That's where it's going to end up, right? It's not you. That's where it is. And God designed it to just be manure. After a certain period of time, you live on earth. And in the spirit world, the spirit body lasts a lot longer, of course. So there are some spirits I know, like I said, 150,000 years old, but that doesn't mean that body might not go at some point in the future. We don't know at this stage how long that body might survive, but all indications are if things don't change in terms of growth, that they are decaying. So you see a tree, when it dies and it stops growing, and it dies, from then on, it's getting destroyed, isn't it? Turned into something that's more useful. All right? Same with your bodies. That's the purpose of them. So these are just like suits that you're temporarily using so that this can develop in your future. The soul can develop in your future. Yeah?